Trending on Procyon Radio and Television, I am Sarah Akpo. MQ All-Rounder, welcome to Trending today.
Thank you for having me today.
Thank you for joining us. 2027 election. Goodluck Jonathan is the best candidate for presidency. Northern groups. Terrorism in Northwest. Arewa Consultative Forum tags federal government on LAKURAWA onslaught. On Trending today, 2027 elections. Goodluck Jonathan is the best candidate for presidency. Northern group. According to a report by the leadership, the Arewa Consensus for Jonathan, a political organization in the northern region, has called on former President Goodluck Ebele Jonathan to participate in the 2027 presidential election. Serving as Nigeria's president from 2010 to 2015, Jonathan is widely acknowledged for promoting democratic development and for his smooth transition out of power following his defeat in the 2015 election. Even after stepping away from politics, he continues to be a central figure in conversation regarding Nigerians' prospective leadership. MQ.
The northern people, I don't know what is happening to northern elders that they are talking like this. They are funny to me because this is the Jonathan you rejected 2015 for second tenure upon what Jonathan did for the north. He built Alumajiri school with free food for the children that they are on the street. He bring them. He didn't build Alumajiri in the Bayelsa. He built it in the north with the promise of giving them free food. But you rejected him willingly in 2027. You brought in your man, Buhari. Now Buhari now open door for this insurgency we are dealing with today. When Buhari came, he put in the architecture of a military, he put all the northern people, the northern soldier surrounded the architecture of a military, and they give the free movement for the insurgency to triumph in Nigeria. That is when you see Fulani herdsmen, that is why you see banditry, that's why you see kidnapping moving about the country. And now, after the Buhari have served, I now see a new man, Muslim ticket. Tinubu now came, and you are not again comfortable. The turning around that Tinubu is doing now. You are now calling for somebody you have rejected in 2015 to come back and come and rule. There's no vacancy in Nasorok now. Jonathan is not coming. Let me tell you, Jonathan is not coming.
Thank you.
If Jonathan is coming, Jonather is not coming.
All right, thank you, MQ.
Thank you for having me.
Terrorism in Northwest. Arewa Consultative Forum tags federal government on LAKURAWA onslaughts. The Arewa Consultative Forum has expressed concerns over the emergence of LAKURAWA, a new terrorist group terrorizing communities in the Northwest, particularly in Kebbi and Sokoto states. The group, confirmed by local sources and the defense headquarters, has reportedly been enforcing its brand of justice, expelling security personnel and vigilante groups, and recruiting members through monetary incentives and coercion.
Chief of Army General Olufemi Oluyede has said, and I quote, and I hear him vividly, that where LAKURAWA terrorists is operating in Kebbi and Sokoto state, that the indigene, the people concerned there, should cooperate with the military, with the soldiers, for the soldier to be able to curb this terrorism. If they are not cooperating, there's nothing the military can do. That's a fact. So you are telling us that this LAKURAWA is a foreigner, speaking French, speaking Arabic in your domain. If there's nobody hearing French, maybe in my own opinion, the people there, they are foreigner too. because there's no way a foreigner will come to my home that will know my home pass me. Now these people come with incentive of giving 1 million to your children. This is the children you put out, that you throw out to do elementary up and down, that this said Jonathan that said you should come back now, build elementary school, and you didn't allow. When Buhari was there, he drive these children away and close the elementary school. They share the building to themselves. So now these children now, they are giving them 1 million now to recruit them to come and do this badalawa things that they are doing there now. Now what I want to tell you, let's call a spade a spade. Let's talk sense to ourselves. If you really want this country to move forward, now the people living there, you know this Bafarawa, Lakurawa of it, you know them because they are in your domain, they are in your farm, they are in your land. You know them. You know that your pikin inside home where they give money. When he disappear, you know say don't collect 1 million. There's no how a pikin will collect 1 million when family no go know. So you know all these things. Stop calling, put all the wahala on the federal government. If you don't cooperate with the soldier, nothing will happen.
Thank you, MKO, for coming to Trending today.
Thank you for having me. Thank you for the news song.
Thank you for joining us. Please do subscribe, like, share, and also drop your comments on our unified YouTube channel, Procyon RTV. I am Sarah Agwon. Keep shining like the star you are.